Wait, Ru. What's your plan?
We need to go here.
Wait, there's Bambi, the dog.
Bambi, what you doing here?
Let's go, Ru.
Yeah, Bambi. I think that's his home.
Yeah. Wait lang.
Okay. Oh, there's two motor.
Stay on the side, Ru. Stay on the side. I'm following you, Ru. Wow. Yeah.
It's not remote.
Ooh.
Daddy, look at all this.
We just went to buy Coke for us. Let's go, Rookie.
Yeah.
Coca-Cola has a new marketing style. This is kapitbahay. In Tagalog, it's neighbor in English. Let's go, Ru. Oh, John's M din, Tagaytay City.
Yeah, I think we should go that way.
Okay, Ricky Bobby.
Whoa.
Oh no.
I want to.
Wait.
Look at them.
Oh, there's another tent. There's a tent again. Wait. Mommy's calling us. Let's go.
Okay.
Wait. Let's go. Open the gate for the truck, Ru. Open the gate for the truck. Just push it.